Words to know. Multiplication. Pledge. How can you use rounding to estimate when you multiply? Think about this question during the lesson. Hoover School is holding a walkathon. Any class that raises more than $500 earns a prize. Mr. Hector's class has pledges totaling $4 per block walked. Mrs. Allen's class has pledges totaling $3 per block walked. Mr. Hector and Mrs. Allen both want to know if their class will earn a prize. Let's use rounding to estimate and find out. Mr. Hector's class has pledges totaling $4 per block walked. His class walked a total of 193 blocks. Estimate 4 times 193 using rounding. Round 193 to 200. Think about multiplying 4 times 200. How do you find the value of two 200s? You can find the value by adding or by multiplying. 2 200s is 400. How do you use the value of two 200s to find the value of 4 200s? Add 400 to 400 or multiply 2 times 400. 4 200s is 800. So 4 times 193 is about 800. Mr. Hector's class raised more than $500. His class has earned a prize. Now consider the pledges from Mrs. Allen's class. Mrs. Allen's class has pledges totaling $3 per block walked. Her class walked a total of 115 blocks. Estimate 3 times 115 using rounding. Round 115 to 100. Multiply. 3 times 100 equals 300. Is the estimate more or less than the actual amount? How do you know? The estimate is less than the actual amount because 115 was rounded down to 100. Mrs. Allen's class has raised about $300. Has Mrs. Allen's class earned a prize? Mrs. Allen's class raised less than $500. This is not enough to earn a prize. Is it always necessary to get an exact answer to a problem? No. You have seen that sometimes an estimate is all that is needed. Now you know how to use rounding to estimate.